It's finally here. Oh my word, I'm so excited. Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, hi, hello, you are loved. To my new subscribers, hello. And if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Sandra B Lusati. Yay! I just got another order from Takealot, and this time it's a ring light. Yes, we are upgrading these days. So here it is. I'm gonna unbox it with you and share with you all the details on this and how it works and all that. So keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with the ring light. So here is how the packaging looks like. Right here. And let me just open it real quick. So this ring light is like a 10 to, actually it says 10 inches to 26 centimeters. Here's how it looks. So it's quite small, but it's affordable, like really affordable. And it comes with this USB cable that you can plug into an adapter, and this phone holder, as well as this thing to put the phone holder on so that you can move it around and all that. So I'm gonna assemble that right no. And it also comes with these stuff. The downside about this ring light is that it doesn't come with a manual, so you have to figure it out for yourself. So now onto the tripod. Let's just get my scissors and open it up. Okay. Ooh. Actually quite long. Okay. The material feels so strong, like really strong, and it said it's about 1 meter long. So I'm gonna assemble it like now so you can see actually how high it is. And I actually got this, I got these ring light for, it was 250, but the normal price is actually $5.99. I think it's $5.99. But the thing about Takealot is that their prices always fluctuate. Sometimes you'll get it cheaper, other times you'll get it more expensive. So the time that I purchased this, it was 240, and then I went back to the Takealot app and I saw that it was 207 rand. I was so angry. I'm like, I just ordered it a day before and then boom, price decrease. So yeah, if you want a tripod or a ring light, just make sure that you continuously check and see, and then compare prices during the days of the week and see when it's cheap and when it's not, so that you can get it at the bargain. So let me assemble it right now. As I was trying to assemble the ring light, I saw that you need to take out this thing before you even put the ring light on the tripod. The ring light comes with 3 light settings. It's this one, then 2, 3, sun-kissed, and you can make it, if it's already bright, you can dim the light down. And this is my favorite because it's so bright. Just look at that in my eye. And turn it down. So here's how it looks in front. It's really bright. 3 light settings. And yeah, I will leave a link to this ring light in the description box below in case you want to purchase it. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, down there. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Just love how the lights illuminate my eyes. Look at that ring lights. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. One more time. Oh my god.